Today, I'd like to talk about radios. When I started riding dirt bikes off-road, I picked up this set of radios so I could keep in touch with the people I'm riding with. And I must say, I'm extremely impressed. I've tried many radios during my lifetime, and this is definitely the best. While you're hiking or riding, your backpack might have a strap like this. Simply clip the radio onto that strap, and now the radio's mounted on your chest, easy to get to, and you can use it without even removing it from your backpack. Now that I've bragged up this radio, let me tell you about a major design flaw that it has. While riding one day, we hit some downed trees and I had to turn the bike around. Woo! I did it! And dropped my radio. I simply bumped the radio and it just slid right off my backpack. If a radio comes off your backpack just by bumping it, and then you lose it, it can be the best radio in the world and do you no good. As a matter of fact, this is the second set of radios I've owned. One day I took my backpack off and set it on the ground. When I put my backpack on and we rode off, the radio was there on the ground. And no, it wasn't still there when we came back to look for it. So let's take a look at what the problem is and how to fix it. If you look right here, there's this little nub on the clip. Its function is to keep the strap from sliding off of the clip. I've taken the clip off and turned it over. Here are those little nubs. The inside of them have quite an angle on them. They are not straight up and down or at a 90-degree angle. And because of this, when the backpack strap is sitting here, and any upward pressure is applied to the radio, the strap will easily slide up that angle and your radio will fall right off. And hopefully you'll notice it. If not, like me, you'll be buying new radios. Okay, let's fix this little problem. First thing we do is remove the clip. Use a small straight slot screwdriver. Now I mark where I want my Velcro strap to go. Then I want to cut a slot right in this area right here. Use a Dremel tool with an abrasive wheel, and you can carefully cut that slot out. Before I cut all the way through the clip, I decided to be wise to put a piece of scrap wood under it so I don't cut up my workbench. For the end cuts, I decided to go with a steel pointed rotary tip. Dremel tools are pretty neat and versatile. So I don't want to bore you with cutting out the entire slot. Just go slow and take your time. Here we can see the slot I cut runs right down the middle of the clip. Now you can snap your clip back into place. Then feed your Velcro through that slot you just cut. Now, when you install the radio onto your backpack strap, the Velcro goes through the clip and around the radio, and almost guarantees your radio will no longer fall off. Now, if you're watching this and happen to work for Motorola, wouldn't it be nice if you manufactured the slot into the clip? Or maybe even change the design of these nubs at an angle that cuts in like this. Way the nubs will snag the strap, stopping it, instead of allowing the strap to easily slip over top of them. I'm sure a company wouldn't have deliberately designed a radio to get easily lost, because that would only result in people buying more replacement radios. Motorola, maybe you don't want to make design changes to this clip. Well, thanks for watching.